Hi Libra, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 3 cards laid out here, which will highlight the message for March 2021. I will also be taking out a guidance card from the Oracle deck over here. So let's start your reading. So we have Chariot, Queen of Cups and 4 of Cups. So with Chariot, I see movement over here. It could be travel or relocation. From career perspective, you may be moving ahead in your career. You would be able to overcome obstacles with hard work and determination. Some of you may have mastered a new skill, finished a new course, which will help you in your future career prospects. So while it is a good time to keep moving, try not to leave tasks in hand unfinished. Finish what you start. Don't commit to something you may not be able to complete. I see you running in 2 directions. It could be a career choice or viewpoints in the team. Maintain balance and harmony in the team. Be a good listener and a problem solver. Be assertive, but don't be authoritative. If you're in a relationship, it could be a time to decide, maybe to move to the next level, or some may even call it quits. Whatever it is, you are juggling with decisions to be made. You are probably torn into 2 directions. With Queen of Cups over here, it's a highly emotional time for you, making you unable to see things clearly. With 4 of Cups, probably you're not seeing the positive side of the situation. For some, I also see an abusive relationship which you're clinging on to. And it's not like you don't have a choice or a support system to not be able to move out of this relationship. We have a 4 of Cups here, which means you do have help. However, you seem to be ignoring it. If you're single, specific shout out to the men out there. You may be meeting someone older to you, probably of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces. You would be getting a lot of attention, so enjoy that. With Chariot here, you may attract someone completely opposite to you. Seems like a good relationship where you can be yourself. By second week, some of you may be feeling a bit low in energy and may be lost in the past. With 4 of Cups here, some of you may wonder what's your purpose in life, or you would be tad aloof and would be wanting to spend some time alone. You may be dissatisfied about something and may have failed to notice what is in the offering. Things are not as bad as you're fearing them to be. There are opportunities coming your way. Don't miss them due to lack of focus. There will be signs all over. You may be missing them because you're not paying attention. You're just too lost in yourself, brooding, thinking about what you missed in the past, and not really looking at the opportunities around you, the positives around you. With Chariot here, there are more promising times coming your way. Whatever the hurdles are, you would be able to overcome and move to a better place, only if you keep up with the pace. So I would take out one more guidance card. We have Mystic Healer over here. The message that it reads is healing energy flows through you. Beautiful card, beautiful energy. So inner and outer healing on all levels is occurring in your life. A situation, relationship or physical challenge is being resolved. Have faith that it's happening. You no longer need to carry it with you. You are the healing force for yourself and for others, even if you're not aware of it. So be that source of energy for yourself, for people around you, for the environment. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you're able to resonate with this reading, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Subscribe to Aurora Hotels for more Oracle updates. Thank you. Much love. Hi Scorpio, welcome to Aurora Hotels. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 3 cards laid out here, which will highlight the message for March 2021. I will also be taking a guidance card from the Oracle deck placed over here. So let's start your reading. So we have 8 of Wands, Sun, and 6 of Wands over here. What a combination to have. 8 of Wands indicates action and progress. Sun is for positivity, joy and abundance. 6 of Wands is earning some kind of a recognition. So things will happen really fast. You have the wind in your sails now. The skies are bright and clear, so steam ahead with whatever it is that you're going for. This reading is telling you that everything is going to work out in your favor. If you are having some trouble in your love life or some problems at work, don't fret. You will have a happy and a positive outcome. With Sun here, you would have a wonderful feeling of release and freedom after a long time of trouble and worry. You may feel re-energized, rejuvenated, and ready to get up and get going. So if you have some unfinished business, you would be able to reach the finishing line successfully. If you were feeling stuck, you can see where you are going now. You will get a sense of direction. Your aims, dreams, and ambitions would be on track, and you would move forward with vigor to achieve them. If you've been struggling with an issue that was complicated, then 8 of Wands will unravel it fast, and you will be able to reach a resolution quite rapidly. In some cases, you will find that certain situations or issues will reach their natural culmination, and you would be really relieved for that. Very positive cards from career perspective as well. Your career or business is beginning to take off now. All that hard work that you've put in, be it realizing your career goals or setting up your business, would now start reaping benefits. Your dreams would now begin to manifest. Your struggles for the moment are behind you as everything falls nicely into place. For some of you, your efforts are going to be recognized. You may be making a name for yourself, and your recent work may trigger a meteoric rise for you. Some of you may be traveling this month in connection to work. So work would tend to get hectic and busy for you. Your job would require you to be on your feet. So you may be working in a very high energy work environment. And there would certainly be an increase in competition as well. With 6 of Wands here, some of you may be feeling like you are stuck in a dead-end job or your studies aren't going as planned. So now is the time to think of considering a change. If you're looking for a new job or a new position, this is the best time to actively float your CV and put a word out there. You may land with several exciting opportunities and maybe all at once. Things would really move quick with a positive outcome. If you are in a relationship which was in turbulent waters and which required you to put a lot of effort to make things work, your efforts now would start paying off and you will start seeing positive outcomes. In general, it's a good period for couples. You will move towards strong, healthy, positive and high energy relationship wherein you will find balance and harmony. Frictions would reduce and you would be in sync with each other in regards to goals and expectations that you have for each other and from the relationship. If you are a parent, you would hear some good news about your child's success, and your child also may get some kind of an award or a recognition. If you're single, you may be swept off your feet by someone you meet, making you fall wildly, madly, and deeply in love. Some of you may meet a very charismatic prospect, and you would be very proud of the person you meet. This relationship would move fast, and some of you may even decide to move to the next level of commitment or even get married. Travel is in cards for some of you, probably to some warm, beachy place. So I would also take out one more guidance card from this oracle deck. We have Grace and Gratitude. The message over here reads, through gratitude, joy expands. It tells you to be thankful to universe for the beautiful life that you have. Whether you are having the greatest day or you feel like everything is going downhill, there's always something to be grateful for. Always something to be thankful for. With 6 of Wands here, your head may be in cloud 9 and you may be acting arrogant and boastful. Show your gratitude and thank the people who have supported you all this while, even in as little capacity as they could. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please do leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Subscribe to Aurora Foretells for more oracle updates. Thank you. Much love. Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Aurora Foretells. This is your monthly forecast for March 2021. You can look this up for Sun, Moon or Rising sign. This is a general reading, so to book your personal reading, please find my details in the description section below. I have 3 cards laid out here which will highlight the message for March 2021. I would also be taking out a guidance card from the Oracle deck. So let's start your reading. So we have 6 of Cups, King of Wands and 5 of Swords over here. So this King of Wands represents you, Sagittarius. Someone who is a self-starter with limitless enthusiasm and energy. You are in your best form. However, it's very important for you to control your temper during this time. There's a big fight coming up. I see this specifically for people who are born 5 days plus or minus 17th December. With 6 of Cups here, I feel it could be with someone in the past resurfacing, or you may be holding an old grudge. You're unable to move on from the past and you still feel very conflicted in terms of your emotions. You're feeling stuck somewhere and somehow you feel you're unable to get what you want. I will take out one more card here. We have 7 of Pentacles. With 7 of Pentacles here, I feel you're trying to protect something that you've invested years in. It could be a relationship which could have come to a standstill, wherein you would have spent and invested many years, or you would have been deeply involved in that relationship. With 6 of Cups here, you may be wanting an old-fashioned traditional style of relationship, while your partner may want something very different. I also feel it could be a friend resurfacing in your life with whom you may have felt betrayed or disappointed. I would suggest that you should calm down and have a chat. Avoid any fits of rage at this point of time. Some of you may be caught up in your business and career concerns. You are unable to spend that quality time with your family or loved ones. Don't cut yourself emotionally from people who are closest to you. So it's very important to have a better work-life balance. At workplace, be neutral. Before you decide to attack any co-worker, be sure of consequences. I would suggest detach from any drama, be it at workplace, home or relationship. For some, it could even mean a legal battle turning truly nasty, With 7 of Pentacles and 5 of Swords over here, it could be related to financial investments or some kind of a dispute in property, or it could even be for children's custody. With 6 of Cups, I also see somebody coming back in your life from the past. It could be an ex or a long lost friend. For singles, it could mean an ex returning or someone they know in the past. But now the equation may be turning into a sensual one. For those who are in a relationship or married, you would feel safe and secure with your partner, though I do see some stagnancy and a sense of complacency that has set in. 6 of Cups is also about forgiveness. Forgive others and forgive yourself. Move on from the past and focus on your present. If anything in the past that is holding you back, you either need to mend it or you need to let it go. 6 of Cups and 5 of Swords may even mean a past issue resurfacing, even at your workplace. And you may need to give a justification. I would highly recommend that don't be defensive. You may not have that strategy and tactic right now to fight over the allegations that may be put on you. So take some support. It could be your manager or any mentor that you have at your workplace. And try and talk it out more calmly. Or even if you have to take up the issue, be prepared of all the resources that you need to gather to convince the people around you. So I would take out one oracle card from this deck. We have infinite abundance here. The message it reads is abundance is pouring into your life. Beautiful energy. So open yourself to receive. Abundance in all areas of your life is ready to flow into your life. Give a chance for fruits to blossom. Get over the negativity that is holding you back. Resolve matters where you can and move on where you can't. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and you were able to resonate with this reading, please do leave a comment and give a thumbs up. Do subscribe for more oracle updates from Aurora Foretells. Thank you. Much love.